Good morning, everybody. It's the top of the morning. Literally just wake up, and today I'm just gonna vlog the day because honestly, why not?
Campus, and I'm all about my brothers like the niggas I'm sampling. I'll leave you red shirted like the twins from Kansas. Really living my dreams I used to have in my aunt's crib. Might throw a Rockefeller chain on.
Bro, I need to work on my back, man. Like, it's so stiff. I'm getting old. So one of the things I forgot to do is that I'm literally testing out the camera settings, and I literally forgot to change some of the settings back, or at least look at some of the test footage before starting the vlog. So if you notice a crazy change in the vlog, that's why. Or I might just keep in the same settings, export some footage while I'm here on this walk, and then look at it, see what it looks like, and then we'll have to go from there. But really pushing this camera, trying to figure it out, test out what's going on with it. So recently I moved the family out of Salt Lake City and decided to move to a little town further down the road, a little farm neighborhood. But it's really changing. It was a farm neighborhood, but now it's just a bunch of houses, a bunch of developments, and it's really peaceful. No hustle bustle of the city, which is something I truly appreciate. I didn't understand how much I appreciate that until I had a family, and so the difference has been great. It's been a bunch of families, way too many pickleball courts for my liking, but it's been absolutely great so far. A bunch of new construction, a lot of building happening out here because the lots are bigger than lots in the city and so forth. One of the greatest lessons I've been learning recently is a little bit more about gratitude. Us young people, we can get carried away at times. I hope you can hear me through this mic. This is a good test because there's a lot of construction happening right over there behind me. I don't know if you can see. Test the zoom. A lot of construction happening over there. But look at the size of this house. The fetch. But back to the point. One of the things we wanted to talk about was this generation and instant gratification. Everybody's on the internet talking about, hey, I traded this. I made 10K in one day, in 1 month. I live in Miami. I LARP in Miami. I made 100,000 this month. GT3 RS at 23. But social media is a game. And you have to remember that they are playing the social media game. Another super important thing to understand is that, like, the real successful people who build generational wealth, not just a quick 100K to flex on LARP, people who own houses like these and so forth, who build generational wealth for their kids and their grandkids, work their butts off. And I'm talking, they work their butts off for years, grinding, failure, like stages over and over again. And the big thing that's killing my generation is that they start something, it doesn't work, and they hop to the next thing. Or there's trading, then streaming, content. They just keep hopping. Like, stay on one thing long enough that it becomes almost impossible for you to fail. Work so hard at that one thing, that constant thing. Whether it's streaming, whether it's trading, fail 1,000 times, and that one time that you hit, you best believe it's gonna be magnificent. So another super cool thing that I've been working on is, as you know, I make cinematic color grading presets. We call them LUTs. And I just released a super cool new one. It's an indoor LUT. It's called the corner office. As you know, the prestige of having a corner office is absolutely the best thing. It's warm, it's nice, it's not overdoing it. Just something cool for people who wants to capture their entrepreneurship journey, new vloggers. And it is pristine. It's great. And it's for the lowest price on the internet, like literally the lowest price for LUTs that you can find on the internet are on KuraEli.com. The link is down below. 50% off. Get the big LUT pack. It is in there for the greatest bargain deal for over 10 LUTs. So go check it out. The link's down below. And if you already support me, thank you so much for supporting me on this creative journey. I don't know what kind of animal that I'm hearing in the back, but it sounds crazy. thing goes like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Anyways, it's not like I'm out of fetching bread because, bro, I'm not fit. I'm trying to get fit. Like, becoming a dad and working so hard and grinding and stressing and thinking about self-betterment 24/7 literally takes so much out of you. And I'm trying to get back on my fitness grind, trying to get healthy again, waking up early, get some movement. I definitely need to work on the sleeping part of things because I have not been sleeping as much as I should be. These water fountains are cool. Seen a bunch of houses with the water fountains going. I like those. I know this has become a yapping video. Didn't intend for it to be a yapping video, but sometimes yapping videos are good. But it's just the dilemma of being a man trying to rescue his family generationally. No one did it before. Why has no one else done this? I can't be the only one in the family with this mindset. How you doing? Of thinking, why can I not rescue my family? You know, why can't I be the one to break the barriers, open up financial health and well-being? And so if I don't do it, and if I don't try, then I'm a failure. You have to be the one to try, be the first one to pull out all stops, maybe even sacrifice your life, your happiness, so your kids and your grandkids can have a chance to live a better life. Make every generation that comes a little bit better off. So we got these guys over here, super cool, doing a bunch of construction. But if you're out there, if you're struggling with your mental health, if you tried and failed and kept failing, just keep your head up. Keep trying. Don't give up. Be strong. Because in the end, something has to work out, man. It's going to be ridiculous for something not to come through for you to achieve the goals that you want to achieve.